is different about Sabrina.
I feel like I've been walking down this darker path. But maybe it's not so bad.
She had a dark baptism, and there's nothing we can do to stop her.
Finish it! This is uncharted territory. Do you think you can handle it? I can choose to be afraid of my powers, or I can use them.
We've heard reports of levitation, the slaughter of demons, the resurrection of witches. How does a first-year, half-mortal student manage that?
I feel I must warn you. This is who I am.
Sabrina!
You have loved the power I have given you.
What is it you want from me?